Bitcoin has hit $100,000, a milestone that's making headlines across the world. But here's the big question. Is it too late to invest? The answer might surprise you. Whether you're new to Bitcoin or thinking of expanding your portfolio, this video will walk you through everything you need to know to start investing in Bitcoin today, even at this historic price. Let's dive in. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Bitcoin at $100,000 feels like a high entry point, right? But consider this. Bitcoin's total supply is capped at 21 million coins. With increasing institutional adoption and growing use cases, many analysts believe Bitcoin could reach $500,000 or even $1 million within the next decade. Here's why it's still worth investing. 1. Scarcity. Bitcoin's limited supply makes it a deflationary asset. 2. Hedge against inflation. Unlike fiat currencies, Bitcoin isn't controlled by central banks. Global adoption. Companies like Tesla and PayPal already support Bitcoin transactions. Now, let's talk about how to get started. Investing in Bitcoin can seem intimidating, but it's simpler than you think. Here are 3 practical steps to start today. Step 1. Choose a secure exchange. Pick a reputable exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Look for features like strong security protocols and low transaction fees. Step 2. Start small with dollar cost averaging. Instead of buying one large chunk, spread out your investment over time. For example, invest $50 every week. This approach reduces risk by averaging out market volatility. Step 3. Use a digital wallet. Move your Bitcoin to a secure digital wallet. Options include hot wallets like Trust Wallet. This ensures your assets are safe from potential exchange hacks. Section 3. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are some common pitfalls you should steer clear of when investing in Bitcoin. 1. Investing more than you can afford to lose. Bitcoin's price can be volatile. Only invest money you're willing to risk. 2. Skipping research. Don't invest just because everyone else is. Take the time to understand Bitcoin's fundamentals. 3. Falling for scams. Be cautious of too good to be true schemes. Stick to reputable platforms. Section 4. The future of Bitcoin. What's next for Bitcoin? Experts predict that increased adoption by governments and corporations could make Bitcoin the digital gold standard. Here are some key developments to watch for. 1. More payment systems integrating Bitcoin. 2. Countries adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. 3. Innovations like the Lightning Network making transactions faster and cheaper. So, is it too late to invest in Bitcoin? Absolutely not. With the right strategy, even a small investment today could pay off in the long run. Remember, start small, do your research, and play the long game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's thinking about Bitcoin, and hit that subscribe button for more practical finance tips.